In this tutorial, I want to demonstrate how to set up a GitHub private or public repository for the integration with AutomationML. Let's go. Let's create a GitHub account step by step. First, you need to sign up to create an account. Press sign up, enter all your credentials and create an account. Then sign in with your new account data. I sign in with my credentials and I'm done. Next, create a new repository. Here is a button for that. Create a new repository and give it a name. For instance, enter a description, choose availability. You can define a public repository or a private repository. I choose public. Add readmes, add no git ignore and possibly a license. Select the license you want and create the repository. Now enter a folder structure that is recommended for the application with AutomationML. The folder structure is visible here. We need a folder for the backups, for the catalog, for the collections, for the examples, the keys and the libraries. Here are then all the libraries. And I'm going to create folders for each of them. To do this, I create a new file and enter backups. Commit change. Next, I add step by step, I add all the folders we need. The keys folder is not for the public repository because keys are secrets and are stored somewhere else. Now we need to set up security to provide authorized access. Regarding read access, public repositories can be read by everybody without any protection. For many purposes, this is sufficient. In case you need more freedom, I demonstrate you how to create a read-only access token. For this, open your account menu and go to Settings. From here, go down to the developer settings. And from here, open the menu Fine-Grained Tokens. And here you can create a new token. This is what we do. You can name it as you want. We can set an expiration date. We can assign this access to my public repositories, to all repositories, or to only selected repositories. And I choose my demo repository here. And then I can add permissions. I need content, I need deployment, and metadata is anyway there. This is set to read only, this is set to read only, and this is set to read only, and that's it. Then we can generate the token. Here you see a summary. I generate the token. Copy the token and don't forget this step because this string will never be visible again. If you forget it, you have to create a new token. Regarding write access, for both private and public repositories, a read-write access token is required. The write access token should only be handed out to persons who are authorized to publish new versions. To do that, we go the same steps as before. We open the administration settings here. We go to Settings, Developer Settings, Fine-Grained Tokens. Then we generate a new token, read-write token. We select the related repository. I want to add this. This is a private repository that I have already prepared. I add permission. We remember content and deployment. And this is now read and write. I generate the token. And now this public GitHub is prepared for the integration with AutomationML. And now you can publish AutomationML libraries there, you can distribute it, share it with others, and you can develop new versions from here.